And hey guys, it's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Welcome back to the show. Today is Saturday, December 9th. I know I'm usually really bad at telling you the exact date, and it's actually pretty funny because I rarely know the actual date unless I'm in front of my computer or doing some sort of work. We are back, guys. I know you guys tuned in like a week ago, and my last video was all about maintaining and managing your indoor grow. But look what I got down there. That sounded funny, but I'm really excited about it. Check this out, guys. Finally, I am able to grow microgreens. I think on the next time around, I am going to show you exactly how I did it and what I did, but I am using dirt, and I realized that I think for microgreens in my environment, and this is initially the first test that I've done, and I think it's coming out really well. I mean, it's lovely, it's dense, the roots look nice, the stems look white. I haven't even tried it. I actually forgot what it even is. It might be broccoli. It doesn't smell like it though. You know what? While I have you guys here, I'm gonna rip one out. Yeah, it's broccoli. Is it? It's kind of spicy. It could be broccoli. Yeah, because they are spicy like that because I love broccoli sprouts. They're super healthy for you. I mean, if you guys have family that suffer from stomach issues, stomach cancers, or anything like that, broccoli sprouts have certain nutrients that are really good for the overall gut health of your stomach. And I love them. I think there's a lot of health benefit. And just make sure those little seeds crack. If you guys don't realize that when we buy a seed and it allows to sprout into life, that's when the true benefits actually come out from the seed. Because, for example, and sorry to go off topic, but when we have chia seeds, for example, the magic potion is inside the seed. So whenever you're sprinkling your chia seeds on whatever it is that you're eating, and you're actually not breaking the shell of the chia seed, then you're actually not benefiting from the chia seed. The best way to consume it is to blend. This way it breaks the shell. This way the powerful nutrients, the antioxidants, what's inside is then released. The life form inside is then released, and you are benefiting that way. This all just got set up yesterday. So this is actually, just so I could kind of finish off on that, today is day 6 on the sprouts. Today is day 6. Okay. They're coming along so well. I think it's like 7 to 8 days for me it's going to be. Now I was playing around with like the height, and I wasn't sure because last time I tried it, you know, I did it on paper towels, and the paper towels dried out crazy. So every single day I've been kind of coming in and touching the soil just to make sure it's doing well, and I'm really happy to see how green they got, because obviously there's a certain pattern, there's a certain way of things that you want to do to get it to where you basically take them from the dark into light. And you know what, I followed some directions, I watched a number of videos, and they're coming out well. I'm really excited, At one point I would like to have multiple, let me see, 1, 2, 3, you could probably fit only 3 trays, maybe 4, but definitely I only want to fit 3. But we are back. These are fresh reservoirs that I just put in. I'm super stoked about them. I have some little scrawny guys down here. Unfortunately, I don't know if these guys are going to make it. Some of these have the pelleted seeds. I mean, this one looks good and it could potentially survive. Feels good. 1, 2, 3. You know, there's 3 of them, and unfortunately I just don't have room. And look how many growing mediums, the rock wool, I had to lose to try to grow. You know, also, so you guys know, when you guys buy seeds online, as soon as you get them, make sure you look at the date. And second of all, make sure you write when it is that you received those seeds. This way, it's better to determine, are those seeds actually going to germinate? Because when I pre-soak, and that is what we're calling it, you know, if you guys have watched some of the older videos in my old videos, take a look at those. If you're new to the channel, make sure you take a look at those. You'll notice that I pre-soak the seeds. This actually rapidly increases the time of how quickly the germination process happens, because if you drop the seed into the rock wool, it might take way longer time for you to see a result. You might get frustrated, whatever, but that's what I do, and that's an issue that I'm having. Some of them just don't germinate, and that's a big issue. But this is a whole new grow. I mean, I literally just set this up yesterday on the 8th. I've had these guys germinating immediately since the day of you know, how to manage your indoor grow. I started germinating a bunch of seeds, and I realized that I actually have a ton of seeds that are not germinating properly because they're old. Also, guys, if you notice, check this out, brand new fan, and let me tell you, unbelievable difference. So check this cool fan out. It's a Vornado. These are actually pretty cool fans. I got it from Amazon. It's got 2 speeds on it, but it blows really good air. Now I'm thinking about even getting a second one to keep it really nice and cool in here, to keep the humidity down. The humidity levels are decent, and I do have my little thermostat right there that gives me the current humidity, the current temperature, time, and so forth. If you guys recall, I actually had a hanging fan that was right here, and you know, time to time I realized that it was just getting so absurdly hot in here, even though I am running two tiers of lights, and each tier has 4 bulbs. It was just getting really, really hot. And then, you know, honestly, like a week ago, I'm feeling the white fan. I'm like, wait, what's going on here? It's not blowing any air out. I don't know what the issue was. I'm not sure where I got the fan. It was like 15 bucks, 10 bucks, whatever. But it's ideal because it clamped onto the side here, so I thought it was perfect. But it actually stopped working, realistically, because it was just going, it was moving, but it wasn't, you know, providing any airflow. And I'm seeing an outrageously outrageously big difference in what this little guy is. And this guy was like 14, 15 bucks, maybe even less, on Amazon. I love it. I really do. This whole thing like moves, this whole top piece. I thought it was oscillating, but I'm not sure. I thought oscillating means that it actually oscillates by itself, which is something that I was hoping for, but no, it doesn't. Anyway, let's get back to the grow real quick, and I'll let you guys go for the weekend. So right here, I don't even know how I ended up with this. I have 2 lettuce seeds inside of 1 growing medium. I don't know how that happened. I have some nice little, these little guys. They're kind of like with the little purple spots on them. They're beautiful. It's butter lettuce. But what I really like is like romaine, something more crunchy. But this is all I have. This is all I have right now. I literally have a pack of seeds like this thick. And I think like some of them are just too old. I actually want to also like figure out how to maintain, how to manage those seeds properly. You know, I mean, we have like a mint gold coin. We put it into like a protective little case. I think when seeds get delivered, we should also put them into maybe like an aired sealed type of situation where it will preserve the seeds for a longer period of time, which is very important. So this is it. I mean, also, oh, I didn't mention, check out these little basils. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited for them to flourish. And you know what, guys? I'm hoping that I remember to do this. This little guy, I'm going to show you how I clone basil from this. Wow, just by going like this, the fan is kicking up all this aroma. It's unbelievable. So I got basil right there. I kind of threw a bunch of seeds in there because I think these are older. These are like these are F1s, and wow, they smell so good. So good. I got a little bit of this like purple basil in here. I don't know how those two are going to get along. I got a little baby purple one right here, and I got another little party going on right there with a few of them. But that's really it. Also, we just got some snow. Check it out. It is snowing outside, which is not so fun, but we are still growing inside, guys. We are still eating good. We are still eating healthy. We are still getting our organic lettuce. And don't forget our beautiful organic microgreens. I'm so stoked, guys. This is going to be a beautiful weekend. Very excited. I hope you're all relaxing, enjoying the weekend with your friends and family. Make sure to give me the thumbs up. Make sure to like down below. Make sure to like right here, okay? Right here is a subscribe button. Make sure to hit it. Also, if a bell comes up, make sure to hit that so you get notifications every time I upload a video. I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks again. This is Mike for Grow Indoors 365.